Mommy, why two babies? This too much. This baby, okay. This baby, no, extra. Mommy,
Oh, buddy.
baby destroyed my world.
Sweetheart, it's okay.
Oh my God.
He said it.
You okay, little man?
We'll figure it out together, promise.
You okay, buddy? Look at his face.
They're so little.
They sure are.
He thinks they're pocket size.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, Mom, who's this?
He's your baby brother.
He's tiny, but I was full. Like, there's two baby. Mommy take one, Daddy take one. Where will I go?
Oh, baby.
Oh, sweetie, you're staying with us. Look who's here, girls.
No, Mommy!
They're just babies, sweetie. Oh, man, this is gold. What's wrong with you?
Why did you make him? I don't need him!
But he's so cute. Just look at him.
No! He's not cute! I am cuter!
Yes, you are the cutest ever, my sweet.